Yo, what's up? Yo, boys and girls. I can't rap. I can't do anything cool. But there's always one thing I can do. Is nothing. Whoa. So, you can do anything if you put your mind to it. Inspiring. Okay, so this is the thing. I already posted a video, but it was a tutorial. Now, I'm just showing y'all how I learned how to beatbox. Beatbox? Like, Luke, I am your father. Yeah. This is how I learned how to beatbox. I was watching YouTube videos one day. On YouTube, on my TV, because we have internet. Internet. Okay, yeah, we have internet. Sorry about that. And I was just watching videos, and I said, wouldn't it be cool to beatbox? Because I seen a beatbox video, and I clicked on it on my PS4. I clicked on it, and I was like, you can beatbox. Let me try. Now I did. Then I figured out I can make weird beats with my mouth, like. And I was like, I got an idea. And then I kept doing this. Okay, that sounds wrong. But I was just doing, and I accidentally did that. I was like, how did I do that? I was like, and then I did, and then I was like, and then I did, boots and cats, and then I learned how to do that. And then this is a weird one, but I somehow learned how to moan and beatbox and sing like. And then, sorry, that was very weird. I'm actually very sorry for that. That was weird. And then, I can do Jeffrey voice. Then I could do the Jeffrey voice. So I was like, hey, Dad, what you doing? I'm your father. So, yeah. Wait. Heroin. Whoopsie daisy. Heroines. Why do I always mess up? Okay, I'm ready. See this? What happens if I do this? Yep, can't read upside down. Cut. Let's just pretend that never happened. Like that. We're gonna pretend that never happened, and it's gonna be like, Carowinds cup. I love it. Take me over and over again. Ooh, a Carowinds Cinderella sight, but it's all gone. Ooh no. I don't know what that was, but I can literally inspire. I just got off the bathtub for some reason. Water, watch. Inspiring. Sorry. Oh yeah, I can also do that with my tongue. It's very weird. Wait, that was cool. Wait. And also, the camera's good. I gotta fill it up with water to show y'all something. It's like this. Wait, I can't do it. I need something. Damn it. Yeah, it's that noise. It's like. I'm not doing that because I get it everywhere. I'm just doing like this. It makes like a weird alien noise or something. Check out my goop. So this is a long it's actually not that long. Really, nigga? Really? Yeah, really, nigga? Yo, my name Tyrone. I can also do this. My eye hurts. Ooh, nigga. Okay, I'm sorry if this is a really weird YouTube video. Oh, isolation. Sorry. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Yo, look at that nigga run. Look at that nigga run. That nigga's be ran. My mans. Yo, so guys, just a quick how I learned how to beatbox video, but I'll make it a little longer, just a little bit. Okay, and then I clicked on a video. I seen that guy. I forgot his name. He was beatboxing, and it inspired me to do it. So now I beatbox every day, all day. So it's been your boy, Jaden. Peace out, boys and girls, cats and squirrels. I always mess up on that. Okay, peace out, boys, girls, cats and squirrels.